China's
World's
BYD.
top EV maker BYD unveiling its ultra-luxury
biggest car brand you've never heard of.
If you look at the world's largest automakers, you won't be surprised to find the likes of General Motors, BMW, Tesla, and Volkswagen. However, one name might stand out. BYD, the company was crowned the top EV maker in 2023, dethroning Tesla, who held the previous spot, and received $230 million of investment in 2008 from the Oracle of Omaha, Warren Buffett himself. Yet if you ask the majority of people about BYD's car models, you'd be met with a confused look. In the United States, BYD operates electric trucks and electric buses, and you can't buy a BYD. How did they get here? What are they planning next? And what does it mean for everyone? Presenting to you the incredible success story of BYD, but I warn you in advance that not all story have a happy through his cousin, Lu Xiangyang. Lu invested $300,000 for 13% of Wang's business. And it's not an exaggeration to say that if Wang didn't get the investment right then, BYD wouldn't have existed today. You see, this is the time for the first uncomfortable truth about BYD. They started off by copying their competitors' ideas. Wang and his team took apart Sony or Sanyo batteries, analyzed how they're put together, and then made a similar battery. This gave Wang the influx of cash to begin his expansion to the international market. And this is where things start to get crazy. Represented 40% of global deaths from the same cause. Research has shown that you might be better off living in an airport smoking lounge than living in Beijing. CCP Weibo, China's version of Twitter, that the company strictly abides by government laws and internet-connected EV batteries and chargers exhibit many